How to create a demo account on Metatrader 5. What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily create a new demo account on Metatrader 5. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Demo accounts can be a very effective way to learn new ways on trading, and it is also without any risk of losing anything. So it's a great way to enhance your trading skills. So the first thing you do is open up your MetaTrader 5, and then what you need to do here is if you want to create a new account, then you'll have to head over to the three lines at the top left corner. And then from here, you are just going to click on manage accounts. So as you can see, I already have a demo account opened here, but if you want to create a new one, you'll just have to tap on the plus icon at the top. It will help you add an account. And then from here, you can choose your broker. Now, if you want to open a real account, you can just enter all of your login details here. And if you want to open a demo account, just tap on the top option. And from here, all you have to do is enter all of your details, like your first name, second name, date of birth, phone number, email, and then click on register. Click on accept first and choose your deposit amount. Now, once you have done that, click on register, and then a new demo account will be registered. So you can just use this login code and password to go ahead and log into your demo account, and it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.